Okay, for problem number 3 here, again, this is just more of a tabular way of representing everything. So this is all the different ways that you could have to analyze this data. So you could be given um, the name of the isotope and have to come up with a symbol. You could be given the name and have to figure out how many neutrons, all sorts of different things we could do here. To work through this particular table, I'll just start here with nitrogen. The symbol for nitrogen is N. Now look down here at my periodic table. The atomic number is 7. And these two columns are always going to be equal. The atomic number is the number of protons. So now I know the mass number, A, and I know Z here. Remember from the other examples, we're going to do the difference. 14 minus 7 means this atom also has 7 neutrons. So 7 protons, 7 neutrons give me a total mass number of 14. The nuclear symbol, that's going to be just this. So write the element. I'm going to write a 14, A up the top, 7 at the bottom. And then in the future, this is how you'll probably see this if you see any of this in another class. So this would be written as nitrogen, the word written out -14 to tell you what isotope it is. So this is the name of the element and its mass number. Well, why didn't they tell me the atomic number? Well, if it's nitrogen, I can look at any periodic table and figure out what the atomic number is. So this gives me all the information really that I need. All right, for this next one, okay, this is oxygen. Oxygen, I'll look down at my periodic table there. Oxygen has an atomic number of 8, which means that it has 8 protons. And it has a mass number of 18, an atomic number of 8, so that means there's 10 neutrons in there. This is the mass number. That one's really easy. And so this is, not nitrogen, oxygen, 18. All right, going to go to a heavier element in the periodic table here, cesium. Cesium is hiding down here in the corner of my periodic table. It is element 55 in the bottom left-hand corner of the periodic table, 55 protons. So now I know the mass number and the atomic number, so I can write the symbol, cesium 133, 78. And again, the 78 is really redundant. Any cesium, or excuse me, not 78, what am I doing? 55, cesium 133 with a 55. The 55, any cesium atom, if you look at the periodic table, is always going to have that. So it's a little bit redundant, that part. Cesium 133. Okay, because you would look at this, you would know this is the mass number. You would look at a periodic table in order to figure out the atomic number. All right, the last one here, titanium. Titanium, symbol Ti, element number 22. Okay, 22 protons, atomic number is 22. It's titanium 48, so that means the mass number is 48. To figure out the number of neutrons, I'm going to subtract 22 from 48, which is 26 neutrons. And so titanium 48, the 22 down there at the bottom for the atomic number.